Hello my dear viewers, we are going to continue our journey with a new chapter from the 10th standard CBSE board and the chapter name is Arithmetic Progressions. My name is Vaishali Fulari. Welcome back to my channel P. Vaishali's Mathematics classes. Let us see some of the points related to this chapter. What is the arithmetic progression? The arithmetic progression is a list of the numbers in which each term is obtained by adding a fixed value to the preceding term except the first term. Shortly, this arithmetic progression we can write it as AP, which is the list of the numbers. Okay, what type of the numbers these are? Let us take an example 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. It is the list of the number and this AP can be obtained or each term can be obtained by adding a fixed number. See, first term is the 2. This 4 can be written as 2 plus 2. 6 we can get it as, what is the previous term? 4. 4 plus 2, comma. This 8 is the 6 plus 2. Each term can be obtained by adding a fixed number. What is the fixed number here? 2. For every term, we are adding the 2 so that we are getting the next term. Except the first term. The first term is not added with any fixed number. You should remember this thing. So, we can say that this list of the numbers, they are forming the AP. It is in AP. This 2 is called as the first term. It is denoted with A1. 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. This is denoted with A1 or A. This is denoted as A2, A3, A4 and so on. These are called as the terms. I will repeat my words one more time. Here A1, A2, A3 and A4. These are called as the terms. Means the list of the numbers, each number is called as the term. Each number is called as the term. This fixed number is called as the common difference. This fixed number is called as common difference. This common difference is denoted with small d. Sometimes this common difference may be positive, negative or 0. Here I will write some of the examples. Let us see how to get the common difference from these examples. See here, the first term is the 5, second term is 10, third term is 15, fourth term is 20 and so on. Here, if we add plus 5 to the preceding term, are we getting the next term? Yes. What is the common difference here? Plus 5. Here, the common difference may be positive. Next, here, if we do 12 minus 15, then the common difference is the negative term. D is equals to minus 3. Because if we do 15 minus 3, then are we getting 12? 12 minus 3, are we getting 9? Then means the common difference is the negative here. 3, 3, 3, 3. In this AP series, we are getting every term as the 3 means 3 is added or 3 is subtracted from this series. So we can say that 3 of this list of the numbers are in the APs. All these are the APs, means arithmetic progressions. Here A1, A2, A3, A4 and so on. If we write the terms of an AP here, to get the common difference, how can we get the common difference for a given series? A2 minus A1 or A3 minus A2. We have to take the consecutive numbers difference so that we can get the common difference here. But what type of the number? Can we do A1 minus A2? No, my dears. We have to do A2 minus A1 and A3 minus A2, A4 minus A3. In this way, if we get the difference of the two consecutive numbers, then we can get the common difference. For example, 4, 8, 16 and so on. If we do the common difference, 8 minus 4, I can say A1, this is the A2, A3 and A4. These are the terms. Then 8 minus 4, A2 minus A1. We are doing A2 minus A1, that is the 4. A3 minus A2, 12 minus 8, that is also the 4. 16 minus 12, that is also the 4. Means the common difference should be same for this AP. Then in that case only we can say that the given list of the numbers are in the AP. Next, there are two types of the arithmetic progressions are there. One is the finite AP and second is the infinite AP. Finite AP means if there are finite numbers are there in that series, then we can say that it is the finite AP. If infinite numbers are there in that AP, that type of the series is called as the infinite AP. If we add the common difference to the preceding term, then the AP is formed. Here I will write A comma A plus D comma A plus 2D comma A plus 3D and so on. This is called as the general form and AP. Here A1 is equals to first term. It is also denoted with A. Then A2 is calculated as A plus D. A3 is calculated as A plus 2D and so on. If we want to calculate A8D, then A8 is equals to, 8D not, A8, then it is A plus 7D. This way. If you observe this series, if here is the 2, then here will be the 1. One number will be less. Here is the 3, then here it should be 2. In this way. If we write A30, then what can be written? A plus 29 into D. If we want to define the nth term, then nth term of an AP is defined as AN is equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. This will be 1 less than this term. So that's why A plus N minus 1 into D. In this way we can calculate the nth term of an AP. Let us see how to get the sum of an AP. the sum of the first n terms of an AP is given as Sn is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. The sum of first n terms of an AP. Sometimes if we know the first term and the last term, at that time the sum can be calculated as Sn is equals to n by 2 into a plus l. This is the formula when we know first term and the last term to calculate the sum of the first n terms. Let us take the exercise 5.1. In which of the following situations does the list of numbers involved make an arithmetic progression and why? We have to check for the given situations whether it follows AP or not. In that, first bit is given as the taxi fare after each kilometer when the fare is rupees 15 for the first kilometer and 8 for each additional kilometer. It is given as the fare, or I can write the taxi fare for the first kilometer. How much is it given? 15 rupees. And for each additional kilometer, how much? Rupees 8. From this, can we write 15 comma? This is the first fare. What will be the second fare? 15 plus 8, it is 23. 23 plus 8, 31. 31 plus 8, 39, and so on. The common difference is same for the given list of the numbers. Means the next term we are getting by adding 8 to the preceding term except the first term. Yes, it forms an AP arithmetic progression because except the first term, each term is obtained by adding 8 to the preceding term. It is also asked here, na? So whether it forms an AP or not and why. If it forms, why, you have to write the reason. If not, you have to write the reason for that, why it is not. See the second bit. The amount of air present in a cylinder when a vacuum pump removes 1/4 of the air remaining in the cylinder at a time. Here, what amount of the air present in the cylinder that we don't know, we are going to consider it as the X. Let the amount of air present in a cylinder equals to X. When a vacuum pump removes 1/4 of the air remaining in the cylinder, here we have to remove 1/4 of the X. From which? From this X. 1/4 of the air is equals to x by 4. Then we can take a1 is equals to x here. Then to get the a2, what we have to do? We have to remove this x by 4 from this x minus x by 4. When the air is removed, 1/4 of the x. So it is 4x minus x divided by 4, which is 3x by 4. This is nothing but the a2. Therefore, a2 is equals to 3x by 4. Next, how can we get the a3? a3 is equals to 3x by 4. We have to remove how much? 3x by 4 by 4. 3x by 4 minus 3x by 4 4 is 16. Then 16 is the LCM. 4 1 is 4 4 is it is multiplied with the 4. 4 3 is 12x minus 3x equal to 9x divided by 16. We'll write the terms here. a1 is equals to x. a2 is equals to 3x by 4 and a3 is equals to 9x by 16. These terms common difference is the same, then we can say that it is in the AP, otherwise not. Let us check the common difference of them. How can we check it? D is equals to a2 minus a1. a2 is 3x by 4 minus a1 is x. 4 is the LCM. 3x minus 4x, which is equals to minus x by 4. And next also calculate a3 minus a2. a3 is 9x by 16 minus a2 is 3x by 4. 16 is the LCM. 9x minus 4 4 is it is multiplied with the 4. 3 4 is 12x, which is equals to minus 3x divided by 16. a2 minus a1 and a3 minus a2 both are not equal. So a2 minus a1, which is not equals to a3 minus a2. So it does not form an AP, or the given situation is not possible for the arithmetic progression. Let's take the third question. The cost of digging a well after every meter of digging, when it cost rupees 150 for the first meter and rises by 50 rupees for each subsequent meter. They want to dig the well. For the first meter, the charges are 150. For the next, for each meter, 50 rupees will be increased. Let us write it. The cost of digging a well for the first meter is equals to 150 rupees. Next, the cost of digging a well for the second meter is equals to how much? 150 plus 50. It is 200. Next, the cost for third meter is equals to 200 plus 50, that is 250. We can write A1 is equals to 150, A2 is equals to 200 and A3 is equals to 250. Then do common difference, A2 minus A1, 200 minus 150 equals to 50, and A3 minus A2, A3 is 250 minus 200 equal to 50. Therefore, the common difference is same. For the given situation, we can say that it is in the AP. Yes, it forms an AP. Let's do the next problem. The amount of money in the account every year when rupees 10,000 deposited at compound interest at 8% per annum. When the interest is compounded, you learned this formula in 8th standard. The formula is the amount is equals to P into 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power of the n, where P is equals to principal amount. How much is it given here? 10,000. Next, R is the rate of interest. How much is it? 8%, where n is the time. Here we have to take for every year how much amount are we getting. For n is equals to 1 means for the first year. For first year when the interest is compounded, then means n is equals to 1 here. Write down amount is equals to P means 10,000 into 1 plus R is 8 by 100 whole to the power of n is equal to 1. In this way, 10,000 into 100 plus 8 divided by 100. These two zeros and these two zeros will get cancelled. Here 100 into this will be 100 plus 8 is 108. Multiplication of this gives 10,800. Means A1 is equals to 10,800 we got. Let's calculate for the n is equals to 2 for the second year. A1 is equals to we got 10,800. Next, to get the A2, we have to take for n is equals to 2. The remaining terms are the same. A2 we can get as P. P is 10,000 into 1 plus R is 8 divided by 100 whole to the power of the 2. 10,000 into 100 plus 8, 108 divided by 100 whole square. We can write it as 10,000 into 108 by 100 into 108 by 100. This square can be splitted into 108 by 100 into 108 by 100. 2 zeros, 2 zeros, these 2 zeros and these 2 zeros will get cancelled. Then 108 into 108 will be remain. The multiplication of this 108 square is 11664. We got A2 is equals to 11664. Next, calculate the A3 for n is equals to 3 years. 2 years. Then amount is equals to 10,000 into 1 plus 108 by 100 whole to the power of the 3. 10,000 into 108 by 100 into 108 by 100 into 108 by 100. 2 zeros, 2 zeros, 2 zeros, 2 zeros will get cancelled. Remaining is 108 into 108 into, we can write this 108 whole divided by 100. The multiplication of this is 1259,712 divided by 100. Means after 2 points we can take the 0. 1259.7.12. We calculated A1, A2 and A3. Let's do whether we get the same common difference or not. Let's do the common difference. A2 minus A1. What is A2? I will write the A1 as 10,800, A2 as 11664 and A3 is equals to 1259.7.12. A2 is 11664 minus 10,800. Then the difference of this is 864. Next to do A3 minus A2. 1259.7.12 minus 11664. The subtraction of this gives us 933.12. Therefore, A2 minus A1 is not equals to A3 minus A2. So, it is not in AP. So, this was the question number 1 from the 5.1. We will see the next question in my next videos. Thank you.